Hello guys, I am Engineer Muhammad Adnan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Being Engineer. This video is the continuation series of my unit conversion. In the previous video, I had discussed about the relation between different unit of pressure or stress. In this video, we are going to discuss one of those relation, which is megapascal to Newton per millimeter square. So in this video, we are going to discuss the relation between megapascal and Newton per millimeter square. So let's get started. As we already know that 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per millimeter square, and we also know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters, as we are going to convert this meter square to millimeter. So the 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter and 1 square meter will be equal to 10 raised to the power 6 millimeter square. So here we have converted 1 square meter to 10 raised to the power 6 millimeter square. So now replacing the value of, as we have told here, that 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per square meter. So we replaced square meter with its value, that is 10 raised to power 6 millimeter square. Now by rearranging the equation, we will get 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. As you can see, this 10 raised to the power 6 has been shifted to the other side of the equal. So it will be equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per square millimeter. Now what is 10 raised to the power 6? It is mega. The value of mega is 10 raised to the power 6. So in this way, 1 megapascal will be equal to 1 Newton per millimeter square.